Welcome back to the channel, Epic Theme Park fans. Today we're in Diagon Alley. We're going to go do a walkthrough tour of Weasleys Wizard Wheezes here in Diagon Alley. Let's go. Before entering, let's do a one spot. You know poo. Bombtastic. You know poo. Let's go in the shop.
It's working. It's working.
Upon entering, make sure you check out all the details. This shop has by far and away some of the most detail of any of the shops in Diagon Alley. You got Chinese fortune sticks, exploding snap, $17. $14.95 for the Chinese fortune sticks. They have a lot of different putties. $20 for the putties. They got luminescent love, pixie mischief putty. You can get the Pygmy Puffs. $20. And when you get a Pygmy Puff, they do a naming ceremony right at the counter. It's super fun. It's a really good way to surprise a child or a significant other. Here's a Pygmy Puff women's shirt, super cute. $37. The robot Lilliput, $32. Weasley One collection, $120. Again, just look at all the detail. The skiving snack box poster. This Pygmy Puff robe. $75. Really cute, has a hood on it. Really nice pink color. Got the Puking Pastilles Skiving Snacks Box t-shirt. That guy is $37. Weasley's plush glove, $16.99, guaranteed to punch you right in the nose. That's super fun. Decoy detonators, $20. Got the extendable ears, $25. Have a Diagon alley shop sign puzzle. Not seeing a price on that one. Let's check this one. Well, no price on the puzzle. Wave your wand, maybe it's free. Ask a team member. This really nice hoodie. Here is the skiving snack box. It's a bunch of different candies, all in this box. Super fun. Fainting Fancies. Those, I believe, are 20. More Pygmy Puffs. $35 for the t-shirt. $70 for the button-up. This is one of my favorite shirts. $38 for a tie-dye, so none of the shirts are the same, they all vary. And one last thing, they got all your love potions. They've changed some of the pricing on the merchandise. It's only half printed. The Love Potion bag, I believe, is $62, but I could be wrong. The printing runs off the tag. The mini Love Potions, $12. Okay guys, one last walk around of Weasleys Wizard Wheezes. That concludes our shop tour. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below on what you would like to see next. Also, comment if you would like some troll boogie putty.